Another day, another vlog. What? Another day. Another day, another vlog. Another day, another fun time. Let's make t-shirts. Today's a pretty typical day here at Merch Studio. It's already 9 a.m. and my wife has already started printing, but I'm gonna show you our whole day starting from the beginning until we close up at night. Also, at the end of this video, I'm gonna go meet up with a friend because they need help with their printer and they're here in Houston. So it's gonna be a pretty short trip. He's having problems with color matching, so we're gonna go and visit him. Ma, say hi. Shy as always. So while Anna's printing, I'm gonna start off with a little bit computer work. As you can see there, we have a whole bunch of orders. One of our Canada clients. And he likes to send in like 10-foot gang sheets, custom gang sheets, and you know, we go with it. 55 feet from a local client that picks up, and another 130 feet from one of our other clients. That's amazing, amazing artwork. So yeah, we're gonna start processing that and send it over to the print list. Eat the side! Hi! We got this. We have about 350 something feet today. Both printers are working. My little guy here's working. We need to get this printer working because this has another 50 feet capacity per hour. Last nozzle check after all that cleaning. Color's really good. We have a little bit of a break in magenta, but we can easily fix that. But our white, print head number 4 is good, but print head number 3 is giving us a little bit of trouble still. So, what's the plan? What's the plan, Mama? So to give you a brief background on the big printer, that's an Oric 4-head printer, and we got that around July of last year. That is when we received it, and we've had a whole bunch of trouble with it. I don't blame the seller at all. You know, these are, DTF technology is pretty new, and it is a technology that is progressing quickly, but there are still a lot of issues in it. And so as a DTF printer, you're gonna have to learn a lot of troubleshooting and all that stuff. This Oric printer that we have, we got it working about a couple of months ago. We had somebody from the company that sold it to us come in and fix everything, and they replaced printheads and all that stuff. And it was working great for a while, and then it just started doing that again a couple of days ago. And of course, with Murphy of Murphy's Law being the way that it is, of course, the clients are gonna need their prints, or they're gonna order their prints just when the printer's acting up. For those that are doing rush printing, we're gonna get them out today. But it's just a little bit stressful, stay on top of things if you only have one printer that's working. Just small business problems that you're gonna deal with when you get into DTF, if you wanna get into it. But if it wasn't hard, everyone would be doing it. What are we doing?
I'll print out the white.
You're gonna print out white just to try and get it rolling. If it doesn't work out, then yeah, I'm gonna remove the print head and do a lot of MacGyvering. So today I'm not just taking videos, I'm actually gonna be useful today. Maybe, right, Tita Sai?
Maybe.
Maybe, yeah, maybe. So apart from your supplier, this is probably your biggest resource for, DTF information. This is a Facebook page, DTF Printing Transfer Film Support Group. So this is where we ask a whole bunch of questions. We have some clients trying to find suppliers as well. And there are other DTF groups too. People in these groups are super friendly and they're super helpful. So if you're thinking of getting a DTF printer, or if you already have one and you're having some issues with troubleshooting, these Facebook groups are the best place to find information. And that's actually what I'm doing right now, is I am going to try and find somebody that has the same issue with the same printer. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, I guess we're gonna open up the cap for the tank. We're gonna open the tank and get air in, and hopefully that helps out. If it doesn't help out, then I'm gonna have to open that whole thing. I'm gonna recirculate the ink. And how long are we gonna be recirculating?
30 minutes.
30 minutes? Dang it. And we just got the hot peel too, so we gotta kind of check some stuff out, make sure that everything's printing right and doing what it's supposed to do. Because whenever you have a new piece of equipment or a new consumable that you're using, you got to test out. You know, we've tested out a couple of times and so far pretty impressive. And because I was a little bit nervous because we got, you know, 20 rolls of them and we have another 50 coming in the next couple of days. We are going to do a little bit more testing or test printing for the white, and if it doesn't work out, then we get to open up a print head and clean the manifold. They're still banding. I mean, the white's still trailing off. As you can see here, it'll still print out and then trail off. So we're gonna remove that print head as promised. All right, we're gonna go back in there and put this bad boy back in its place and do some test prints and see if it works. Okay, we put that printer back in place. Now we're gonna do a little bit of a flush. We're gonna load ink and then do some cleans, and hopefully we'll get them working, because as much as we've gotten done, because I've gotten done so far, we still have a long way to go for this. We've finished loading the ink and cleaning a couple of times. We're gonna do a nozzle check. All right, let's see how it looks. There. Colors are all black. Oh, it needs to be cleaned again. Yeah. But the white is, this was non-existent, looking better. We still have a few fogging there, so we're gonna leave Ann to that. Let her worry about it, and we're gonna come back to them to it in a few minutes. Right now, again, I'm gonna go back to the office and work on some stuff. Did it work?
No.
No, it didn't work. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do now. We are going to try and pull ink from the dampers. These things are the dampers. Now we're gonna try to pull ink from there so that we can see if there's a clog in the ink line as well. So I'm just gonna put this syringe into here and try and pull some ink out. All right, that one's pulling ink. Four's good. Try 3. Should be good though, because we were able to clean it. Yep, it's pulling. 2. Yep, pulling 2. Okay, they're all pulling ink, so that's not it. So, I don't know. I think we're going to have to replace the printhead again. That always hurts.
Replace the printer.
Replace the printer? Marianne says replace the printer. You know, it's eating up a lot of space and not printing as much as it can. Oh, man. Fun times, fun times. All right, so that didn't work. I messaged the supplier, the printer supplier, because that's a recurring problem that we have with the printer for some reason, and I'll see what they have to say about it. My immediate problem is that we have about 120, probably 150 feet rush orders to still print out today and ship out by the end of the day. We have until about probably 7:30 to ship everything out. So hopefully we can get all of that in. If not, well, I'm not gonna say if not, because I know that we're gonna get that done one way or another. So let's get to it. Let's power through, and I'll keep on updating you. Currently 5:21. We are still on file number 4 on this last rush big order. There's supposed to be 3 copies there. How many copies of file number 4 do we have?
1.
We already did 1? So you only need 2 of those?
No.
You're on the first
Last
one?
one.
Oh, the last one? Okay, and then we have 5:30, so we can do probably up to file 7. So 5 and 6 is gonna be 1 hour, so that's 6:30, and then 7. Yeah, up to file 7, 10 files. Okay, we're gonna circulate the white ink for 1 hour, and maybe that'll help out. It's not even pumping out the white ink right now. Get that ink flowing one way or another. All right, well, thank you. Have a good day. You too. I'm going back and printing some more. And that big order, that same day order, we're gonna go back to the shop and keep on working on orders that need to ship out. We only have one more order, the big one that I showed you earlier that needs to ship out today. And I think we're gonna make it, because even though the center here that we were just in, even though it closes at 7, in emergencies, I can still drop off packages there where the trucks load and unload and they accept them. And next day air packages can be delivered or can be brought in until about 7:30, 7:40. That's when the truck that takes all the UPS next day air packages goes to the airport. So let's go back to the shop. And we're back with Tita Sai right there. Hustle, hustle. Still, we got a few more feet to go. I think we're gonna make it. It's 6:45. We have about 45 minutes to get this order out. I'm a little bit stressed, but I think we can make it. I think we can do it. Are we good? We can ship this out? All right, tape it, tape it, tape it. Tape it up. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, Tita Sai. 7:28. Let's do it, do it. Double tape, double tape. See out Tita Sai. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. The other side, the other side. The other side. I'm heading out, I'm heading out. Let's go. Oh wait, no shipment label. I gotta label it first. Let's bring it out. All right, stick it on there. And by the way, we are now hot peel. Heck yeah. All this, that's not smoke, by the way. That's humidity from the humidifier. All right, let's go. Let's go, Tita Sai, let's go. Let's go, mama. Oh boy, we got like boxes. I don't know what these boxes are, but we got boxes. I'm not gonna worry about those. Gotta get to UPS before 7:41. All right, let's go. I'm gonna see you there because I'm gonna be driving. And we're back at UPS. Oh my gosh. Old people problems right there. We are where the trucks go. And we're gonna drop this little bugger off. Hey, how you doing, boss?
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Whew, thank God I'm close to a distribution center. So we got that just in time. We still have about 2 minutes to go before the truck leaves. It is now 7:39 p.m. I'm sure you can see that. We're not done for the day. I gotta go back, try and clean up that big printhead once again, or that big printer, try to get it working still. The super moms are gonna keep on printing until about 11 p.m. tonight, and some of them are supposed to ship out tomorrow, some of them are supposed to ship out the day after. Normally, when everything's working right, we get the orders out the next day. But, you know, we have days like these when Murphy is working against us and being playful. I'm talking about Murphy's Law. And so that's why we have a 1 to 3 day turnaround, so that we have a little bit of a buffer and we're not delayed in shipping. And we're back again. Deja vu, deja vu. I'm gonna pick up those boxes in a little bit. I know what they are now. So who else are we putting out tonight? Still have all of that. Oh my God, so exhausted right now. But it is what it is. It's what my dad calls a happy problem, and we're gonna keep on busting it. Now while waiting on them to finish, I'm gonna work on, as you can see there, 55 orders. Oh man, fun times, fun times. I'm not complaining. Like I said, I never complain about these things, but it gets overwhelming sometimes, you know, and it's okay to just go, you know, when it gets overwhelming. And this is how the end product looks like. It's all in a spreadsheet. You have your design name, whether it's a shirt, sweatshirt, or hoodie, and you have the color, and then how many of those are in 2XL, large, medium, small, XL. At the end of that, the total number of shirts that we're gonna be making right there. And now we're gonna create the shipping labels. There we go. $500 for that. Confirm shipping. 55 labels have been purchased. And now we're gonna go and print them out. If I excuse me, I'm gonna print some shipping labels. All right, printing them out now. All right, that's done. We're gonna press tomorrow and ship out the next day. In the meantime, we're gonna put it right here. And I almost forgot those boxes from earlier today, so I'm gonna bring them in. All right, time check. You see that? It's 9:17, and we're still going at it. Whew, got me a little bit tired. I processed the orders. We have 55 orders. t-shirts, but not today. Not today though. She thought that I was gonna have her make the shirts tonight, but no, we're not gonna do that. We gotta rest some time too. Because last night we were also printing up to midnight again because of that printer thingamabob. So. Are we done for today?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Crazy day done. It's almost 12 midnight and Merch Studio is out.